Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. My name is Sheila. Now today was supposed to be a whole different video. I had planned to make a beautiful rolled stuffed pork loin for you. But my daughter ordered online to help me out and ended up with a thin sliced pork loin chops instead. And if that wasn't enough, I ran out of storage on my phone, so I couldn't even film the video properly. But you know what? I persevered because that's what we do. I improvised, I worked with what I had, and what you're going to see today is a photo journey, step by step, of how I turn that mix up into something absolutely delicious. So we're going to have spinach and Colby cheese topped pork loin chops. And girlfriends, they came out gorgeous. So, the lesson today is not just about cooking, it's about life. Things don't always go as planned, but you adapt, create, and you never give up. Because, girlfriends, we're not invisible. All right, let's get started. So, here they are, thin, boneless pork loin chops. The color is beautiful, I must admit. But first, I'm going to start off with the spinach, wilted down with some breadcrumbs and some other ingredients. This is what I'm growing on my windowsill, which I use in my cooking. Now it's about time to season these pork chops. I also have my special blend of seasoning as well. Season them up, they're ready to go in the pan. Add a little bit of baking powder to it as well to help crisp it up. And this is what they look like when they're all cooked. Now I'm going to top them with that spinach mixture that you just saw that was in the pan. Then I'm going to go ahead and add that cheese, the Colby cheese that I had to cut by hand because I couldn't find my cheese grater. So it's been a day, I'm telling you. And here it is plated up. I'm telling you, one bite of this, oh my goodness, it made everything feel all better again. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week. Take care. Stay cool because it's about 80 degrees today. If you'd like to visit my other platforms, the links are listed in my Instagram account at Sister Girl Cooks.